You've probably seen these videos all over your feed. Clean, catchy, and going viral on both YouTube and Instagram. Creators like SETUPSAI have gained over 2.5 million followers on Instagram and over 400K subscribers on YouTube just by posting videos like these. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like SETUPSAI completely using AI. And the best part? It's 100% free. First, head over to Google and search for Google AI Studio and click on the first link. You will be landed on its homepage here. Scroll down and click on Try Nano Banana. Now switch to Imagen 4 Ultra for image generation and select your desired aspect ratio and paste this prompt. It'll be available in both description and pinned comment. You can also modify the prompt according to your need. But now I will continue with this prompt and press enter. And within few seconds, you will get high-quality images like this. Once satisfied, download the image. Now comes the main part, turning the images to videos. For this, search flow on Google. Click on the first link and you will be landed on its homepage. Here, click on New Project. Now, switch to Frames to Video and click on Settings icon in right corner and choose the aspect ratio for your video and select the number of outputs. You can also switch between models, but I would recommend to use VO 3.1 Fast. Now upload the image we have generated earlier and describe the motion you want in the video. For this, I will just type, make the hands typing on keyboard and add some movements on monitor as something is playing on monitor and hit generate, and within few minutes you will get high quality videos just like SETUPSAI. Download the clip and head over to any voice generator to generate the voiceover. I will use Google's voice generation tool for it. On Google AI Studio, scroll down and click on Generate Native Speech with Gemini and select Single Speaker Audio and choose between different audio models. I will choose this one. Type in your script. This is the same format that SETUPSAI use. You can change it, but for this video, I will use the same format and click on Run, and you will get high-quality audio for your video. Now import everything in CapCut and add audio and video to timeline and edit the video according to your needs. To keep this video short, I will only edit the intro part of the video, and once the editing is completed, you will get video like this. Powerful websites you should know, Part 1. For the rest of your video, all you need to do is find a few trending and useful AI tools, record your screen while showcasing how they work, and you're good to go. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the prompts in the description below.